Hello everyone. I will continue a series of tutorials. The purpose of this series will be to teach programming for interviews mainly. I will write different solutions to a particular programming problem and compare the solutions, compare the time complexity. And I hope if you follow my series and if you continue to listen and follow all the tutorials, then ultimately and gradually you will be perfect for any coding interview. Thanks. So let's start with a simple problem. Our problem is, I'm just writing here, okay, given a series of continuous integer list and a duplicate number in the list. Find the duplicate value. Okay, so our list will contain numbers from 1 to n, and it will also contain a duplicate value between 1 to n. So the list may be something like that: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5. Okay, 5 is duplicate. So our target is to find the duplicate value. That means our solution should return 5 in this case. Okay, let's start. So let's think, what can we do? We can find the sum of first n elements. That means sum of 1 to 7, and subtract this sum from the total sum of all the elements. Then we can find the duplicate. Okay, let's start with this approach. Okay, we are considering with array. You can also work with list of integer. That's also fine. So what we should do, first find the sum of all the elements in the list. Or this method will find the sum of all the elements in the list. Okay. Its complexity is O of n. That's good. So now what we should do, we should find the length of the array. Okay, consider that this array will contain all the numbers from 1 to n and an extra value that will cause the duplication. So what is the maximum value of the array? Let's count the length of this array. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. So what's the maximum value? So max value should be len minus 1, isn't it? Then we know the formula, the mathematical formula. The mathematical formula is sum of probably you remember the formula from your high school. So duplicate get sum. So to get the duplicate we should subtract our max into max plus 1 divided by 2, this from the sum of all the elements. That means we are going to subtract the sum of the continuous elements from the sum of total elements. Okay, so now let's pin the duplicate and see whether we are right. Okay, it has printed 4. That's great. Very simple solution. The complexity of the solution is ON. Okay. Think of another solution. What we can do? Just commenting out this and commenting out this. I'm thinking of another solution. As a programmer, you should be able to provide a lot of solutions. You should be able to compare the complexities between the solutions, and you should be able to find out the best solution. Okay, let's consider another solution. I hope this should be the best solution. We have already found the best solution. It's not necessary that the last element will be at the last index. If the last element is at the last index, then you are you can do the solution at O1 complexity. You just return a len minus 1. That means you just return the last index value from the array. So this is not the case. The numbers may be jumbled. Okay, so let's create a hash set. Okay. How? So the idea is that we just keep a hash set, and every time till the length from the starting index of the array till the end of the array, every time if the hash set contains the value, already contains the value, then return the value or the print the value. Else, and break the loop. Else, if the hash set doesn't contain the value in the array, then insert the value in the hash set and continue till you find the duplicate, and after finding the duplicate just break the loop. And as you have already assumed, guessed that this solution is also O(n) complexity. This solution is also O(n) complexity. I hope you will be able to implement the solution. So I want that you implement this hash set at your own. I am giving you the hint though. Okay. Okay, let's do the solution. For piece integer in A, if the hash set contains the integer value, then print the value and break the loop. We are done. Else, what we should do? Let's see what happens. Yeah. So we are also getting the same output. So we are trying. You can also do the solution using list. So the solution can be done in O(n) time instead of just brute force. Using brute force, the complexity will increase obviously. So thank you for listening. We will find we'll come with more nice programming problems. We will solve along with you. We will analyze the complexity and we will prepare for a fantastic coding interview. Thanks for listening.